Hi guys, here again. This is how to clean the pillar after sandering and remove the pillar after dry. Okay, so first, before you're supposed to do, you need 100 grit, 100 grit, number 100 grit to remove a dry pillar. Okay, it's dry now, and then we put a little bit primer, so we try to clean it before we paint it by tomorrow or tonight. Okay, this is what you call a dry sanding process. A little bit sticky and a little bit more drying, but we try okay, if we can paint now or not, because tomorrow is cloudy. We need more patience for this. We need to brush the body level. No need too much deep and over. So we need flush everything with a clean sanding, dry sanding. Okay. More patience. Okay. More patience of this job. I got a color, I buy a color in Canadian tile, a little bit closer this paint because this is not a original color I buy, so we need to mix it in the shop or paint shop. So if you buy in the Canadian tile, we can buy only a little bit closer light or dark. So let's see. Important we cover this part. If you like the exactly part or exactly color, you bring in the cactus or somewhere shop with paint shop. Okay. So another one. See? A little bit shiny and smooth. I sacrificed my basketball shooting time for today because we need to finish this.